Hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a logo. To create a logo, we can use softwares like Logo Design Studio, Design Hill, Adobe Illustrator, or Inkscape. Apart from that, we can also use online services which is much more easier to learn and understand. This time around we will be using an online service completely free for 1 month. So the famous online service is Canva. Canva is an online service that permits you to create designs. With Canva you can create all sort of designs, be it a logo maybe for your YouTube profile, or a banner maybe still for the YouTube channel, and others. The only problem with Canva is that you are to pay an amount of money per month after the free trial period is done, that is, 1 month. This is called the Pro version, but don't worry, I have a solution for that. Just visit my video on how to get Canva Pro free in 2021. Let's get started. Type Canva on the search bar. Now you sign up if don't have an account yet. I will log in instead, since I already have an account. I'm done. As you can see here, you can really create all sorts of designs. Related maybe to social medias, maybe personal, for business, for education, for marketing, for trending. Let's create a logo. These are templates. These ones are free templates. And this one, to be paid template. Let's create one. There are free templates. Let's try this. Very simple, we are done with the first logo, just by using a template. Let's create another logo by playing with templates. I will copy this and place it here. The second logo has been done easily. Let's create a third one. Just play with your imagination, choose a good template, and modify it the way you want to have a great result. Let's play with these two. I will change the head and modify the name as usual. We are done with our 3 logos, now let's download them. We can't modify the download settings since we are in the trial version and not the pro version. Thanks for watching. If you loved the video, leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel.